Are you looking for the best dining chairs? In this video we will look at some of the best dining chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Modern Dining Chairs. Modern designed dining chair, a stunning alternative to traditional dining chairs. The faux leather hoop leg dining chairs bring style to every occasion. Comfy leather material, covered in high-quality premium faux leather upholstery. It provides more comfort for you or your friends when enjoying meals. Firm and sturdy. The sturdy dining chairs are complete with C-shaped chrome base for a uniquely modern look, with anti-scratch plastic feet on the bottom to prevent damage to the floor. Fully relax. The thickened cushion will not make you tired even if you sit for a long time. The backrest is filled with a large amount of doll cotton, which provides comfortable support for the back. Easy to assemble. Our chair is very easy to put together, and no extra tools are required. If you have any question about our product, please contact us and we will do our best to help you solve every problem. Number 2. Sweetcrispy Dining Chairs. Modern style dining chairs with overall size. 22.83 inches wide x 20.47 dx 32.87 inches high. The dining chairs boast a simple and modern style, suitable for various settings such as family dining, outdoor events, dining rooms, restaurants, hotels, and guest room, kitchen areas. The dining chairs are equipped with a new generation of thick and high-density sponge cushions. The high elastic backrest design offers full back support, tilts back 10 degrees, and promotes blood circulation for a comfortable, fatigue-free sitting experience. Made of high-grade pool leather, our dining room chairs is wear-resistant, scratch-resistant, waterproof, and easy to maintain. Its skin-friendly and non-irritating properties ensure a healthy dining experience. Constructed with 4-point support, the 2.5 cm diameter chair legs are made of pure beechwood material which is hard and rot-resistant. The dining chair's maximum weight capacity is 275 pounds. And non-slip pads on the legs protect your floors from scratches. The kitchen chairs come with installation instructions and all necessary hardware and tools. We also provide videos to help you get your chairs installed in 10-15 minutes. If you have any questions about the product, please feel free to contact us. Number 3. Velvet Dining Chairs. This classic and traditional style accent chair with pleated details is the perfect pick for small space. The ergonomic back design and foam cushioned seat can provide you and your family with great comfort. Made with premium velvet fabric, which is very delicate to touch and has no irritation to people who have sensitive skin. Metal tube legs with a gold plating coat make the whole home chair more deluxe. Weight capacity holds up to 250 pounds. This side chair is sturdy and compact, therefore allowing you to move it into small spaces, corners, and under tables. It weighs in at 12.1 pounds and the seat is 19 inches wide, 16 inches deep and the seat height is 19.2 Total height is 31.2 Certain dining chairs are designed small, so please check the dimensions before purchasing. It perfectly matches different decorations: living room chair, vanity chair, accent chair, guest reception chair, lounge chair in home, office, restaurant, hair salon, nail salon, makeup, commercial or studio. By its Scandinavian style. The dining chair set includes a detailed instruction manual and all screws needed. Assembly is a simple process, which is screwing the metal leg base onto the seat, which most people can do in 4-5 minutes. We will provide you with fast, professional, and enthusiastic technical support and service before and after your purchase. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to contact us. Number 4. Mid-century Modern Side Chair. To ensure proper assembly, please follow all steps provided in the installation manual, provided in PDF below. Ergonomically and modern shaped and comfortable curved seating. Feel relax and comfort when sitting on the chairs. Set of 4 dining chairs, better for the gathering to dinner together, color white, Easy to match the decoration of the different environment. High quality molded plastic cover with soft padded seat and polypropylene backrest, better to support your weight and your back. Durable wooden legs keep stable and firm. Dining white chairs set of 4 are the best, ideal to be used in dining room, kitchen room, open air balcony, restaurant as well as the dessert shop. Easy to assemble. The dining white chairs screws, pieces of chairs and manual are included in the package. If there is any question with the assemble, contact us without hesitation. We will provide online support at once. Number 5. Cafe wood chair. After you buy our products, we will prepare the goods and deliver them within 15 days. We choose standard express delivery. It usually takes 30 days to reach almost all countries or regions. If it doesn't arrive at the expected time, please contact us, and we will provide you with after-sales service for the whole process. Please check the goods before confirming the receipt. If there are any problems with the goods, such as damaged or missing products or parts, please contact us in time and we will provide you with perfect after-sales service. Please don't worry. We are a furniture manufacturer, providing customized and wholesale services. If you want to customize or buy in bulk, we can provide you with more discount. Please contact us.